Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hair clay for a middle part. First, ensure your hair is clean and completely dry. This provides the best foundation for the product. Next, scoop out a small, dime-sized amount of hair clay. Rub it vigorously between your palms until it's completely clear and warm. This emulsification is crucial for even distribution and optimal hold, preparing the clay for application. Now, with the emulsified clay, begin applying it to your hair. Work it in evenly from the roots all the way to the ends. Pay particular attention to the top of your head and the sides, as these areas are key for defining a strong middle part. Make sure the product is distributed thoroughly, ensuring every strand gets a light coating for consistent texture and hold. Once the clay is applied, it's time to style your middle part. Take a fine-tooth comb and carefully draw a straight line down the center of your head, from your forehead to the crown. Gently push the hair on each side outwards and downwards, shaping it into your desired look. Use your fingertips to refine the style, adding a natural, textured finish, and ensuring everything sits perfectly. Finally, take a moment to make any last-minute adjustments. Smooth down any stray hairs and ensure your middle part remains sharp and well-defined. The hair clay provides a strong, yet flexible hold, allowing your style to last for up to 8 hours without feeling stiff or crunchy. You'll achieve a natural, matte finish that looks effortlessly stylish throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.